welcome back to my channel. This is Mukaze again. Let's get started with the liking, subscribing and commenting. Can you please do that for me so my channel grows, and I would really appreciate it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, now that we've handled that, so today we're going to be talking about the pencil skirt, a black pencil skirt for that. I feel like this is an absolute staple that each and every person needs in their wardrobe. I'm going to style it 5 different times for you guys. This particular skirt I'm wearing today is a black midi pencil skirt. I've had it for over 5 years. Like, it is that good. I pair it with literally maybe 20 different things. Like, I just love this skirt and it's such good quality. I got it from Missguided. This was like one of my first, I think it was my first Missguided purchase was the skirt, and I still have it. The material is so thick, like you don't have like the panty line sticking out. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I will check for you guys. Anywho, first look that we have is this work look. Guys, like, this skirt is so versatile because of the midi length, it is also like quite conservative, and I tuck it in with my work shirts just because it's more of like a cleaner look, and it is so like, it's so like put together and just like so like sophisticated, and the length is just awesome for work because it's like literally about over your knees. It is like a little bit tight, so if you're a bit curvier, you gotta be careful with these skirts because if it's not good material, you're gonna see every lump, dump and everything, honey. So just be careful that when you do get this kind of skirt, that it is good material and your good stuff is not sticking out. Next look that we have, I absolutely love this look. This is the denim jacket and the white top. I really love denim and white. I think it's just a classic match. I cannot get enough of it, like, ever. I really love this match. And this look, I usually just do it like when I am going out, like just something really social, like on a Saturday with the girls, like we're going to the movies. And I just love how like the jacket hangs and it's just like hugs and it's like cropped. So I actually even have a similar jacket, but it's longer, so it's just depending on the day. Today I chose to wear the shorter one, and it's just like dope. Like, I don't know, I just feel like this is me. This is actually my favorite look, but people actually liked it better when I wore it with this shirt. So I was like, okay, let's do that. Next look that we have, I have this wonderful like cropped black top. Like, I love this top because it's just my sense of style. Like, it's edgy, it's a crop top. I love me a good crop top. I don't know how many I have, and it's got that, like, it's sophisticated, but it's got that see-through effect. When you do get tops like these, make sure you have a good bra because nobody wants to see like a nip slip or anything like that, because it's very thin line where it can look tacky. So make sure that you do style it really well. I believe this top was from Forever 21, which is surprising because it's, for me, it's like looks such good quality. So when I got it, I was like, yeah, I believe this is Forever 21, but it's a good price. I think it was $10 and I got it, and I absolutely like love this top because of just makes me feel like sophisticated but also bad. Yes. Next look that we have is a date night look. For date nights, I like to look like, I don't like to do the most for this, so the all black, and it's got like the cowl neck, I think they say, or I don't know how to say it. English is not my first language, but it's got that look, which I think for date night is like cute, like it's sexy, but it's not showing off too much skin, and I absolutely love it. Like, yes, it's just very simple, very much like what I live for, and the skirt, and it kind of borderline looks like a dress too. So even if you want to kind of dress up for like a more like fancier event, I think this is a really like cute look. What do we have next? Last but not least, we have actual top I'm wearing right now too, the irony. But like, this top is, I love it. Like, it's got like the bat sleeves, like it goes out, like it's just, look at it, yes. Like, it's just everything, and I love this top. I wear it a million different times too. Like, for me, I live on an island, so like, you know what, when I buy clothes, I have to be able to wear them multiple times because I don't shop. I only shop a few times a year, so it has to make it work. But anyway, this is just eleganza extravaganza. Like, it is so elegant, and it's it's just like, it makes me happy. I love the gray. I love the contrast of the gray with the black, and it's just, yeah, it's heavenly. And this is what I would wear for a more like formal event with the earrings. Like, the dangly earrings. I wore those because as you can see, I have my hair tied back and braids. So usually when I have my hair tied back, I do the most with my earrings just to have a little oomph, oomph. Yeah, you get what I mean. But anyway, thank you guys. This was just a quick little video of how you can style the lovely black pencil skirt in a million different ways, but today I just chose 5. Please let me know your favorite look, and again, please comment, like, subscribe if you like this video. We're trying to grow out here, guys, on these YouTube streets. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.